Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, finally, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra thickness revealed. According to the latest report, Galaxy S25 Ultra has thinner camera rings than iPhone 16 Pro Max. Earlier today, we got to know that the bezels around the display of Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, will be thinner than those on Apple's latest flagship phone, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which already has extremely thin bezels. Now, we are learning that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also have thinner camera rings than those of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is already working on the Galaxy S25 series. And today we learned another important feature about the new phones, their thickness. According to Insider Ice Universe on X, the Galaxy S25 will be 7.2mm thin, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra will measure 8.2mm, as you can see the comparison image in the video. Also, Insider Ice Universe claims that the thickness of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera rings is 2.4mm. It is way less than the depth of the iPhone 16 Pro Max's camera hump, which is 4.3mm. As you can see the comparison image in the video, the camera lenses of the Galaxy S25, and likely the S25 Plus, will protrude just 1.8mm from the body, while the S25 Ultra would be 2.4mm thick. In comparison, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is 4.3mm from the top of the lens to the edge of the frame. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's rear camera performance should be similar to that of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Despite that, the upcoming phone's camera rings are much thinner, which is quite impressive. This is one more proof that Samsung is a step ahead of Apple when it comes to hardware design and packaging. The 7.2mm body will make the Galaxy S25 the thinnest Galaxy S flagship in a decade. The last time we had such a thin phone was the Galaxy S6, launched in April 2015. The 8.2mm body of the Ultra is also a milestone for the series. We expect the Galaxy S25 Plus to also have a 7.2mm body, in line with the similar thickness of the Vanilla and Plus versions in the past 5 years. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S25 lineup in January. Rumors are that the Ultra model will keep the same main and telephoto cameras as its predecessor and upgrade only the ultra-wide shooter. The phone is also likely to be the only device in the lineup to exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, but this might change because we heard similar rumors last year about the S24 series. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.